Then comes unbelievable service. It's called astonishing, fantastic service. This kind of service the customer cannot forget. The legendary treatment and will tell their friends and people about it. This is something of a high-end service right from the start when they come into the hotel or to they come to the door, the way they are greeted, the way they are entertained, they are announced by their name, so they feel very special that they are recognized. So, and they have a special table set, they have a special place where they prefer to sit. And there are add-ons. Then the servers of course are very skilled. They are mostly served by the managers, mostly served by the senior supervisor, and they are taken care of with major skills in order to take care of them. So when we say fantastic, fantastic means it is much more high in grade among the other guests. See, other guests are not expecting this. When you say unbelievable service, it is means that he is going to carry a very high impression of your outlet. He's going to carry memory from there. You should help him. Example, when they're dining, maybe we can take your photos when you're dining. Maybe we can assist you in any other way to give them a small phone video clip so they can remember they were dining in your place, and the small video clip was taken during the time of dining. At the end of the meal, maybe the lady could be given flowers, or you can have a Polaroid camera, you can make instant photo, and you can give them a photos of the place they visited, or anything else. It could be whichever services are available within the hotel to surprise them. This is called legendary treatment. It means this is top of your class. This is the finest that you can offer within the range that you are working with. This is your best SOP. And what will happen eventually, that with those things, they will go back to your society, they will go back to their friends, they will go back to the office, and they will announce, see, we had visited this place, this is the treatment that we received. Even when you give them a gift, example, they some places they give them a gift of like a t-shirt of the restaurant, they will give them a bathrobe of the hotel, they will give them a slipper of the hotel, they will give them a pen set, they will give them a small perfume, they will give them what you call it, gastronomic chocolates, and anything which can give them a long-lasting memory of that place. So this is called unbelievable service.
So it's also include the extra mile services, like
Very true.
doing something for them which is not actually our duty, and maybe we are solving their other problems which are their personal issues. Like if they are sick, we take care of them, or if they lost something in the city, we help them to find out, help them to do the survival, maybe help them in making the bookings around for them, or suggesting them, or guiding them, or bringing them to the other places in our own expense without they asking us. So that I think is also included in the unbelievable service, which the
Yes.
customer is not even expecting us to do from any imagination. So means that it's really beyond the call of our duty. So those are rare occasions, but they turn the customers into a highly loyal customers, and our
Yes,
brand.
because they did not expect anything, and then you do so many things. Example, if they want to go for a movie house, you are calling the taxi is ready. Before they leave the restaurant, another taxi is ready. You give them a proper escort. You put them into taxi, and they say to the taxi driver, please, this is our distinguished guest, kindly take them properly, kindly guide them way back. There could be so many add-ons. It is all from the judgment, from the training that the staff has gone through, how they are trained to assist the customer. This is how they will function, and for sure the customer will carry good memories when they leave from that place, and they will tell other people, and sometime other people will come and tell you, see, that was a customer other day dined at your place, you did 1 2 3, and he was very highly complimenting about you, we heard from him, and we also came to experience. So that will also show that you are spreading the brand value, you are spreading your name, you are spreading your reputation, and this is very good for the company actually.